It's not a typical project that most would like to tackle or try to tackle. My name is Brett, and I am doing the paint and body work for the 2025 Porsche Restoration Challenge. We are working on a 1972 914 project for this year, trying to keep it still true to a 914 body, but still expressing ourselves in a little bit different way. We're definitely going a little bit outside the box. We added steel flares, trim modifications, and different things that, makes it a little bit more fun and exciting.
Go ahead, they win.
I think it takes a little bit of guts to bring 914 to where we're going to bring it to. I think people are going to be pleasantly surprised. I think they're going to really appreciate what's been done, and I think it's going to draw a lot of attention. This car is a cool project. It's been fun, and I believe that this one, can be the one.